Today we're diving into a popular topic: how to make money online by watching Google Ads. If you're looking to earn some extra cash from home, this video is for you. Let's get started. Number 1. App trailers. This app pays users to watch trailers for apps, which can include ads. Users earn points that can be redeemed for gift cards. Number 2. Perk TV. Perk TV allows users to earn points by watching movie trailers and other video content. Points can be exchanged for gift cards or PayPal cash. Number 3. Vindale Research. Research offers payment for watching videos and ads as part of its survey and research activities. Payments are made via PayPal. Number 4. Fusion Cash. Fusion Cash offers multiple ways to earn, including watching videos and ads, taking surveys, and completing offers. Users can receive payments via PayPal or check. Number 5. Prize Rebel. Prize Rebel allows users to earn points by watching videos, including ads, and participating in surveys and other activities. Points can be redeemed for gift cards or PayPal cash. Number 6. SlideJoy. SlideJoy pays users for unlocking their phones, which often includes viewing ads on the lock screen. Earnings are accumulated in the form of carats, which can be exchanged for gift cards or PayPal cash. Number 7. AdFun. AdFun is a newer app where users earn rewards by engaging with ads and participating in other activities. Rewards can be redeemed for gift cards or other incentives. Number 8. Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel. While not directly paying for watching ads, this app rewards users for keeping it installed on their devices, which helps Nielsen gather data on digital behavior. Points can be redeemed for gift cards. Number 9. AppKarma. AppKarma rewards users for trying out new apps and engaging with app content, including ads. Rewards can be exchanged for PayPal cash or gift cards. Number 10. Dosh. Dosh offers cash back for shopping at participating retailers, but it also sometimes includes watching video ads or completing special offers to earn additional rewards. Payments are made via direct deposit or PayPal, and that's it. 10 verified platforms where you can earn money by watching ads. Make sure to check them out and see which suits you best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching and see you next time.